Welcome dear learners. Welcome in this second module on importance of academic writing. In this module, we will discuss why academic writing is important. We will try to find out the answer of this question, why. Why it is important for all the stakeholders. Academicians or teachers, students, researchers and institutions. As we know, the academic writing is very important for academic and research career. It is as important as our basic testimonials. We always feel proud of our testimonials. That's why for the academic writing, whatever we have done, whatever academic writing product we have produced. In the previous module, we have discussed various types of academic writing. The domain of academic writing are versatile enough. The stakeholders are there. So the importance varies from one stakeholder to another stakeholder. Now let's move one by one how it is important for all the stakeholders. The first stakeholder is academician. For academician, you cannot imagine an academician without academic writing. It is just like imagining a soldier with a gun. For academician, the first and foremost importance is that it is an effective and well-accepted medium to disseminate the knowledge. Apart from your classroom teaching, if you go for publications, if you go for academic writing, you will reach to more learners and students and will be able to disseminate your knowledge globally. So why to be local? Be global. This is the importance. Now moving to another aspect. It's a tool for assessing the eligibility for fresh academic researchers, position and also for the promotions. All institutions give huge weightage to publications for recruiting and promoting the faculty members and the researchers. For this, you all know that the quality of publications, the quantity of publications published in reputed journals play a vital role. It's a benchmark. Academic writing is a benchmark to assess the academic proficiency. Without any access to CV of any academician, the publications are always reliable indicators of his or her expertise. For example, do you get the reviewer's invitation by reputed journals? If yes, surely you might be having good publication record in that area of research. So you are getting the recognition for your academic writing, and it's a benchmark for your academic proficiency. Academic writing is a tool of intellectual contribution to knowledge domain. Teacher is ought to give significant intellectual contribution to the knowledge domain. Even if you are not an active researcher, you need to write to contribute in learning process. So why do you want to limit yourself to your few students? Come up and contribute. How good you are as a researcher is generally assessed and approved by academic writing. So by this discussion, we can have an idea about the importance of academic writing for the... Now dear learners, let's see the importance of academic writing for students. For students, it is utmost important. Actually, what happens in teaching learning process, students hardly practice the academic writing. But when they are asked to write an essay or to write some quality notes, it is always a Herculean task for them. It becomes a Herculean task. Then they are trying to putting their efforts on the learning process for academic writing. So students are needed to practice it from the beginning. Don't wait for the last moment. Just practice for making some quality notes, whatever you have been taught in the classes. And never forget, you take the suggestions, take the guidance from your mentor. By this way, the academic writing can be inculcated. As far as the importance is concerned, the first and foremost important point is that writing opens up your mind. It has been reported in various studies that writing skills, when we are writing the things, actually we are opening the doors of our brain. And it is very important with respect to that teaching learning process, that you keep open your mind, keep open your brain for the thoughts to come in. The New York Times, dated June 22, 2014, has reported that how handwriting trains the brain. As we can see this in this news clip. Academic writing gives better understanding of the topic for effective communication. If you know academic writing, you can effectively express or communicate your level of understanding. And it is very important in this era. It is not important how much you learn. It may be important. It is very much important. But it's the way of presentation which makes you unique. The presentation skill you must have. Another point is triggering the analytical thinking. Academic writing triggers the analytical thinking. It triggers the analytical thinking, and being analytical is very important for academic and research. Students are required to analytically study 2 or more related studies for getting the essence out of the work as the future plan. You are ought to study and present 2 or more work analytically rather than doing simple discussion of one single work of one previous work. So that's why being analytically guided or being analytically motivated is very important, and the academic writing gives you this trait. Academic writing is very important with respect to the triggering critical and objective thinking. Learning is not complete until it is taught critically and objectively. Without critical thinking, information cannot be framed to build knowledge. As we know, information when processed make a knowledge, and when the knowledge is processed, the wisdom is made. So the cascade of information when processed give rise to knowledge and then to the wisdom. So it is the way of expression which makes information a wisdom. It is important with respect to learning focused and framed writing, as you have to be more formal and bound to some framework or style in academic writing. It is very important because it enables you to deliver the best in the required style, template, framework as per the requirement of your thesis, articles, etc. So in comparison of the basic writing, academic writing is quite formal one. So that's why you need to learn that thing. And lastly, academic writing is the mandatory requirement for submission of PG dissertation, for submission of thesis. You always need publications supporting your research work. Most of the universities have stringent rules regarding this. You cannot skip the publication part while submitting the thesis. So dear students, you might have got the importance of academic writing for you.